Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. The fishing czar's got one on. Let's see how big he is.
Well, you gonna reel him up?
I'm reeling him. He's got a little fight to him. Don't want to rush him. Here we go. Like one guy said, if it ain't tight, it ain't right. He's coming near the hole. Here he is. Come on. You don't want to come up. Come on. No, it looks pretty good.
It's a good one.
Might be a keeper.
It's a good one.
Woo! Here we go. Well, let me get a measuring tape on him real quick and see if we're going to keep him or let him go.
All right.
Here's a czar.